Let's know. What is repo rate? Why RBI kept it unchanged? RBI repo rate. The repo rate is the rate at which the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, lends money to commercial banks for a short period, typically 1 to 2 weeks. It is an essential monetary policy tool used by the RBI to control inflation and stimulate economic growth. Objectives of repo rate. 1. Inflation control. One of the primary objectives of the RBI is to maintain price stability in the economy. By adjusting the repo rate, the RBI influences the cost of borrowing for banks, which in turn affects interest rates for consumers and businesses. Increasing the repo rate makes borrowing more expensive, curbing inflationary pressures by reducing spending and credit availability. Economic growth. The repo rate also plays a crucial role in promoting economic growth. Lowering the repo rate encourages banks to borrow more from the RBI at cheaper rates. As a result, banks can offer loans to individuals and businesses at lower interest rates, stimulating consumption and investment, and boosting overall economic activity. 3. Monetary policy transmission. Changes in the repo rate impact the entire financial system. When the RBI changes the repo rate, it sets off a chain reaction throughout the banking sector. Banks adjust their lending rates based on changes in the repo rate, affecting interest rates on loans, mortgages, and other forms of credit available to consumers and businesses. 4. Market liquidity management. The repo rate helps the RBI manage liquidity in the banking system. By adjusting the repo rate, the RBI controls the availability of funds for banks. During times of excess liquidity, the RBI may increase the repo rate, making borrowing costlier and reducing liquidity. Conversely, during periods of low liquidity, the RBI may lower the repo rate to increase lending and inject liquidity into the system. RBI kept it unchanged on the 9th of June 2023 because more repo rate means withdrawal of money from system and excess load (NOF) on general people. So in these days, due to controlled inflation in India, repo rate kept unchanged.